Hi, welcome to RideAlongside. Today we're replacing the HEXLOCK quick release for the Manitou Machete fork because it had a concave washer underneath this quick release head that has broken in half, and we are replacing it with the HEXLOCK SL. The HEXLOCK SL doesn't have a quick release, it's just a bolt-on THRU axle, and it comes with these parts here that need to be installed. So let's get to the installation. Alright, so here are the instructions in the installation guide. First, you're going to need these tools, and these are the parts for the HEXLOCK SL axle. And then you want to remove the QR15 axle. So I'll show you those steps now. So here is the weight of the QR15 axle that came in the Manitou Machete fork. So we got the axle itself at 95 grams. We have this end cap, puts it up to almost 100. You have this retainer piece that comes out, and an O-ring. So we're at 105.1 grams. We'll compare that with the HEXLOCK SL. So the axle itself is 51 grams. And then the parts bag. So we're at 72.5. 72.4. Alright, so we're going to install the HEXLOCK SL shim into the QR15's insert indentation, making sure it's flush on the bottom. Alright, so here we go. So you can see this will fit just like that. So make sure it's flush on the bottom. Done. Then next you want to grease the threads of the SL bolt and insert it into the shim. So here we go. Put that in there. And then we're going to put the SL retainer in. So just like that. And then that will thread in there. So we'll screw that all the way in, and then we use the retainer tool or spanner wrench, and I don't have either one of those. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use two small hex wrenches, one in either side here, to tighten it up, and then I'll have my local bike shop tighten it up all the rest of the way once I get down there. So that's pretty much it. All that's left is to install the HEXLOCK SL axle, and so I'll show you a shot of that and we'll be done. Alright, so here we go. We got the HEXLOCK SL 110 mil going into the machete fork here. Let's slides through like that. And then you'll see it sticks out a little bit, but there's no orientation that's needed for this axle like there was for the QR15 axle. Then you take a 6mm Allen key and let's see, tighten up the threads, and it just pulls the axle right into place. So for those of you who don't need to take off your wheel quite as fast as the QR15 HEXLOCK SL, you can just use a 6mm Allen wrench. With the HEXLOCK SL axle, you'll be set. It's also nice that there is nothing sticking out on either side, so a little bit narrower profile as well. Again, I'm Nick from RideAlongside. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll have more content for you real soon.